Hi guys, I'm going to explain you my third experiment in compiler, which is on simulation of macroprocessor. So it allows the programmer to write the shorthand version of a program. So this is my program, and here I have one input file and one output file. So this is my input file, the C program.txt. This is its location, and this is my output file location. So I'll be using the buffer reader for my input file, and for printing the file, I'll be using the print writer for the output file. Initially I'll be declaring 4 arrays from CON to CON4. So let's move on to the C program.txt file. So this is my file, C program. So here I have used hash define pi is equal to 3.14 for variables, and for function I'll be using add function and x, and within the open parenthesis I'll be using x is equal to x plus z. So what this variable this array con1 2 3 are like pi, it is con, and 3.14 it goes to con1, and this add function it goes to con2, and this is for 3, and this part is for 4. So I have used 2 loops here. So this is the first part. So I'll be fetching my string according to the read line. So whenever there is a line comes, so I'll be storing according to the white spaces, storing into a new array called arr. So now I'll be comparing this array element, the very first array element, to hash define. So if it matches with hash define, I will convert my string. This will be my string. I'll convert this string to a new character array, which is stored in a newly allocated character array called cha, and check if any open parenthesis come. If it comes, so I will set my bracket variable to 1. So if it is 1, I will go to this statement. I will store this array into con2k. So you can see here, this is my con, this is my con1, this is my con2. Similarly, I will be storing if it is function, so inside the parenthesis whatever the value comes, I'll be storing it in con4. Similarly for con3 also, I'll be converting my toString object to this variable, the con1, the con3 array. Now if my array element won't start with hash define, so it will go to this statement and checks, still my I value will be 0. So it checks till my array dot length, and checks line by line that if my first element equals to my con array. If it equals, then it will print its corresponding con1 value. Like in this case, the value, this will be my con, and this is my con1 value. So if it finds pi, then it will replace wherever there is a pi, it will replace by 3.14 in the output.txt file. So initially this will be empty, and after when I compile, it will replace by 3.14. Similarly for this case also, and whenever if I find any open parenthesis, I just increment this newly allocated character array to 1. Same thing follows for my hash defined function value for x is equal to x plus z. As you can see here, over this statement con4 dot to character array. And finally I'll be printing both these since I'm using the file, so I have to use dot print for, in this case, this object dot print. And finally for closing the files, I'll be using the close function. So let's see how it works. So it's built successful. Now you can see on the output.txt file. So this is my output.txt. As you can see here, wherever there was pi, it got replaced with 3.14. Since I have used only one, so it got replaced for that particular line with 3.14. And since I've used the function also, so for its attribute as x, I have used x is equal to x plus z. So if I use a function call statement for add y, so it will get replaced by y is equal to y plus z. As you can see here in the output screen, it's y is equal to y plus z screen. So this was my third experiment. Thank you for watching my video.